Part 2 of Cooking with Ella and Perry.
Dad's still sleeping. Okay. Get still.
He gave us a warning of don't burn your mouth. We just left the camera in there alone.
I won't.
Don't kill yourself on the selfie stick. That's currently what I'm filming with. No, I ain't got no tripod.
I thought I was gonna stab myself on this earlier.
No, I don't have a tripod.
You didn't put it back in? I thought you did.
No, I didn't. I had to start the video over.
Putting it back is harder than taking it out. I'll tell you that.
It's because you can't have the pot holders in the microwave.
I can't.
Lift it up. Like, do this. Or that.
I did it.
I thought you could just grab it with the pot holder like that.
Oh no. No. My finger would no, that would fall out. And then it would all go
20 seconds.
It's glass.
30.
So
30 or 20 or 30 seconds.
let's do 30.
I want it like completely melted. No chocolate chip chunks.
I can't figure out which button starts.
There may be a part 3. Because we are taking so long to cook. And I don't edit. At least not yet. Oh yeah, I have a video that's supposed to go up from May.
From May?
Everyone in my class is asking if I could do a video of my wax museum.
Your wax museum. Huh?
Yeah. You've never heard of that, have you?
You have one?
I have one in May for school. I was Rosa Parks.
Oh, I don't know. I've never.
And like Zoe was Walt Disney, I was so ticked off and like, but whatever. I got to be someone cooler.
Okay. There's
Well, he's
still
not-
chunks in it.
Not cooler, but like, it was fun to learn about Rosa Parks.
Rosa Parks awesome. There's still chunks in it.
What the heck are we doing wrong? Should we just start over?
It's just gonna be chunky, so let's just put it on. Come on.
You can have it. I'm gonna start
You
over.
want them chunky?
No, I'm gonna do it for 3 minutes. Wait, isn't there like a certain thing that like you need to put like butter in them
No.
to melt them?
No. They're already fattening enough. I'm gonna need more.
3 minutes, and I'm gonna let it sit in there for a minute.
No, if you let it sit in there, then it's gonna get harder.
We're gonna take it out with 5 bottles. She's got a chip there.
Okay. I'm not laughing at you.
Observe.
So I can't eat it because I'm laughing.
Number 1, this is how number 1 turned out. Some chunkiness. A little bit of chunkiness. Wait, I can't even see it.
It turned into one giant chocolate chip.
Yep. And mold. Now you can mold it. Now, observation 3, I'm gonna not even take it out of the microwave. I'm gonna go for 3 minutes and then 3 minutes. I feel wild. Is this mine?
No. You bring mine to me?
Yeah. Your sip. So actually, we're going to be doing a lot of filming today because I haven't posted in like a month. So, this is going up right after we are done eating, done cooking. Yes.
No, are you wearing anything underneath that? Or? Oh yeah, I remember that. Just see it on this.
You can?
Yeah.
What? Nope, no editing. because they don't have no good editing apps. You cannot see it.
We're paying more this way before.
Still can't see it. I wasn't doing anything. Yeah, just if people are asking in the comments below, I didn't do anything. Did not work out. Now it's broken.
We're gonna need to take it out next. Uh-oh.
Holy crap! It's lava. Dude, look at what's going on right now. Oh my goodness.
Are you happy I took it out then?
Selfie stick on my brain. What's going on?
Smells awful.
We burnt chocolate. Don't take it out.
I'm gonna wait for a little bit. Sit down, get comfy.
What the freak?
I need to restart.
Oh, it smells like chili, like meat. Why does it smell like meat? Why does your microwave smell like meat?
I don't know.
I'm gonna go hiding. Okay. It's nice and it doesn't smell in here, so I turned the brightness up all the way, but I'm gonna dark close it, so yeah. Bye. Well, I don't have